So this is my recipe for an old fashioned. I made all these ingredients myself, except for the Bulleit bourbon, which is our base. We're going to start with 2 full ounces of Bulleit bourbon and a glass with a preferably spherical ice cube. Beautiful. We're going to add to that 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. Secret ingredients to this are quasii chips, which is a kind of wood, and wild dark cherry. Then we're going to add 2 dashes of our orange bitters. This is mostly made from an orange extract. As a base, I use Everclear to extract the essence of the bitter from the orange. Then we're going to add dry curacao. This traditionally is made with La Raja oranges, and very much the same concept as the bitters, where we're extracting it using alcohol, but the bitters has a few more spices and ingredients in it. We're then going to take a 1/4 ounce each of cinnamon extract, simple syrup. So you take sugar and water, boil together with some cinnamon. 1/4 ounce. And then an orgeat syrup. For this, I blanch 1 pound of almonds and also use a simple syrup. So it's basically equal parts of casting sugar and distilled water. Gives it a nice almond flavor. We then take a Luxardo cherry and sort of muddle that. And then we take a zest of orange and express it over the glass. Bad cocktail. And then we take an extract of Madagascar vanilla beans and bourbon, which I've aged for about 6 months in a bottle. And we express that for the vanilla aroma. Just like that. And then you have an old fashioned.
Thank you, sir.
You want one?